Bonjour, hello. We are here to present Dr. Burnout, the first suite of digital apps that allows individuals and health professionals to deal with a situation of burnout. At the core of the team, we are three entrepreneurs, Véronique, Jean-Marie, and myself, Sébastien. Either we have had a burnout, or we felt we might be close to having a burnout, or we also knew closely people who've had a burnout. So, we felt very compelled by what is called the disease of the 21st century, and that is already close to reaching 1 out of 6 people here in Belgium. The burnout already has had a tremendous effect on our society. It may be our social security system, our companies, or the individuals. The cost of burnout are 360s on the whole economy. They impact our social security system, they impact our companies' revenues and reputation, they finally impact our citizens who are not able to work anymore. It is said that in Belgium alone, the cost of burnout for the INAMI is around 600 millions, and that with the numbers growing, it could soon derail the system itself. So we are entrepreneurs, and we felt that there was a large market for digital tools to help organizations cope with burnout. And when we looked out for those digital tools that could help individuals and professionals at large to deal with the burnout, we could not find any. So we thought there must be a place for those tools to educate, prevent, diagnose, and overcome a possible burnout situation. And so quickly, we were in business to develop those. So here we are, Dr. Burnout. At this stage, it is a plan to release 4 applications or tools. The first app is for individuals who fear they might be in a burnout and who will benefit from a mobile interactive tool to get advices and create a routine to stay away from it. The second tool is for companies who care for their employees. They might want to set up a mandatory yearly test to evaluate the situation of their workforce vis-à-vis the burnout situation. This tool should also be used by insurances who want to impose a yearly burnout detection test to the companies they insure to make sure that they don't work their employees to death. One more tool is for professionals to build a community to ask questions and get answers on how to deal with the burnout. For example, one HR might ask how to guide an employee coming to her in a situation that looks like a burnout. Or another HR might ask on how to best reintegrate back into work an employee that has been into a burnout. Finally, we propose an interactive communication tool to be used between the therapist and their patients to stay in touch outside of visiting hours through exercise routines that are proposed by the therapist to the patient. On top of checking that the exercises are done, there's a chat tool for the therapist to encourage or dialogue with the patient. Our vision at Dr. Burnout is to develop a proprietary IP on burnout applications. We also aim to become the go-to tool for individuals and organizations wanting information, diagnosis, and prevention and treatment of burnout. Our methodology is a long and careful study of all the scientific burnout material that we could find, a mapping of it, and finally, through gamification techniques, turning these complicated materials into user-friendly apps. Be sure that the apps will be tested in situ in order to get accreditation from the medical world. We have made a strong team to tackle the issue composed of the managing team that I presented earlier, but also a tech team composed of skilled people at product development, mobile developments, and web developments, a medical team composed of a life coach, a psychotherapist, and a doctor specialized in work issues. Finally, a steering committee composed of people coming from different organizations interested in our product. We feel we can sell our application to 6 categories of customers. Private companies and health insurances companies in order for them to test the workforce against the burnout. Health insurance companies and hospitals wanting to inform the population about the signs of burnout. Finally, physicians and individuals wanting to stay in touch outside of visiting hours during a burnout therapy. Today, we apply for the Digital Attraction Move-Up program as we feel that outside of physical issues, mental issues must also be looked at through the lens of digital innovation. because we want to benefit from the coaching, the exposure, and the networking that the program can bring to us, and because we wish to propose our services and we wish to cooperate with the first corporate client who cares about burnout issues and who wish to work with us. We thank you and we hope to obtain the opportunity to meet with you face-to-face to discuss our Dr. Burnout project with you. Thank you, relax, and take it easy.